October 27th, 2015. Two of the Three Stooges are going out today. Louis is done for the season, and Michael is not allowed to come out. And Joe's going to try jigging, but that's not truly jigging if you put bait on it.
This is our drop, George.
Yeah, it's floating away.
Our Todd drop.
It's floating away. Okay. Good luck out there.
Good luck, I'll see you. You'll be on Northeast tonight. I'll see you. Bye-bye. All right, good. Thank you. From Captain Tommy. Thank you, Tommy. Captain, we're going to get them now.
Heading back in, we couldn't fish where we wanted to fish. The tide was running too fast. So we're going to try a couple other spots.
The moon, the moon, the moon.
I'll show you a moon. Well, first blackfish of the day. We'll be measuring him in a minute.
What is that, George?
I got fish on, Joe.
Fish on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Oh, another one. I'm not even getting no hits today. Another throwback. What's that, about 15?
I'll measure him.
That's it?
End of day today, 5 fish, 1 keeper, exactly 16 inches.
Patty, we worked the reef today. We worked it, Patty. Thank you, Patty. Oh, we saw a couple of northeasters today. Captain Tommy gave me a bunch of blackfish jigs. We saw another northeaster in the creek. He loves the videos. Another one be coming on tonight, thanks to Giorgio. And that's it. What a day, what a day.